What are some bad cleaning habits you should break right now? Welcome to our FastKlean channel. Check out our videos, you'll surely find something useful for your day-to-day life. We fold together some of our best household cleaning tips and tricks to help you get a spotless home. It goes without saying that you want to improve your home cleaning technique. You want to be faster, and you want the results to last for longer, so that you don't have to address the task again in no time at all. But the truth of the matter is that you may have developed some bad habits, which hinder your efforts. To meet your goals, you should break these habits as soon as possible. But before that, you have to identify them and recognize that they are holding you back. Number 1. You allow paper to accumulate. One of the most notable culprits behind clutter at home is paper. Whether it's bill junk, mail, newspapers, magazines, or some other documents, you need to prevent them from piling up. If you don't implement such systems in place, there is always going to be paper clutter lying around. It is wise to get a shredder, or just get into the habit of tossing needless paper in the recycling bin. Also, you are going to have to invest some time to sort through the papers and decide what stays and what goes. Number 2. You leave your shower curtains and towels bunched up. Moisture breeds mold. Leaving said items all bunched up means that moisture will remain longer on them, thus the increased chance of mold and mildew growth. Close the shower curtain when you are done and place your towels on rails. That way they will dry faster and retain less moisture. Number 3. You use way too much product. You may falsely assume that when a small amount of cleaning solution works, then pouring in a lot will yield even better results. When you add an additional cleaning solution, you need to use more effort to rinse it. If you don't do that, the item area will become a magnet for dirt. You should always use only the recommended dosage for your cleaning solutions, or even less. Number 4. You leave dishes in the sink. It really will not take you much effort to put dirty dishes or glasses in the dishwasher. However, it is indeed more preferable than stacking them in the sink. The main thing about it is bacterial growth, which occurs with dishes and other containers. Train everyone in your family that the right way to dispose of dirty dishes and glasses is in the dishwasher. Number 5. You wear your shoes inside. It doesn't take much effort to remove your shoes upon entering your home, but it does mean you will spend that much more time cleaning the floor later. You will be tracking all sorts of nasty allergens if you walk with your shoes on, so don't. Have strict rules about this and enforce them at all times. As you can see, there are quite a few bad habits that are ruining the cleanliness of your home and preventing you from doing your best regarding sanitation. Change them, and you will become better at cleaning. Enjoyed our content? Give us a thumbs up, share this video with your friends and subscribe for more of the same. Have questions or ideas? Want to ask us something? Drop us a line in the comments below. Also, we would like to invite to join our virtual online masterclasses to learn more about keeping your home clean and tidy. Thank you for watching, and until next time, FastKlean. A greener and healthier future.